Hi, my name is Dr. WANDA, a clinical and radiation oncologist. Let's discuss about what cancer is. It's a question that's asked very often. What is cancer? How does it come about? How do we define it? So for us to understand the different types of cancers we'll discuss, we need to start with the basic. What is cancer? So cancer starts from an individual cell or a group of cells, because we need to know the difference between a normal cell and a cancerous cell. So if you look at the diagram, you're able to see what a normal cell looks like and what an abnormal cell looks like. So an abnormal cell divides without being told to divide. So there are normally instructions that are given to a cell to tell it to divide. But a cancer cell does not listen to those instructions to stop division, to die off, or even to be able to stay in a resting state. So it does not listen to the external environment. Second thing about a cancer cell is that it is able to make its own energy. It has its own metabolism that allows it to survive and grow. The other thing about a cancer cell is that it's able to cheat the immune system, hide from it. Any abnormal cell that does not look normal, a cell that does not have correct DNA, the body should be able to remove it. But cancer cells are able to mask themselves from the immune system, such that the immune system is not able to fight it. The other thing is that it's able to make its own blood vessels, like it's able to divide and get its own rich supply of oxygen, rich supply of nutrients. And that goes a long way to ensuring that the cells can grow and divide uncoordinatedly. The other significant part about cancer cell is that when there is a tumor or a growth, it is able to break off from that group of cells that are abnormal, enter into the blood system, and go to another organ. For example, if one has breast cancer, then the cell can break off from the breast, go into circulation, and land in the lungs. And that is why you can find metastatic disease. The disease left one area, went to another area, and sometimes even goes to the brain and other organs. So it's very important for us to understand that cancer cells are unique. They are self-propagating. They are able to break off, they are able to metastasize, they are able to go to a different organ. And that is why it is difficult to deal with cancer cells. The immunity itself is not able to cope with it. Once we've understood how cancer works, we're talking about cells that are dividing rapidly, cells that are abnormal, cells that do not die off, and cells that have the capability of breaking off and going to a totally different organ, then that can help us understand how chemotherapy works. So the drugs we use to treat cancer are called chemotherapy drugs. What is chemotherapy? Chemotherapy is a drug that is used to kill those rapidly dividing cells. So for more information or to learn more, to discuss more about cancer and what chemotherapy is, kindly join us for the next video.